All right, so this video is about, I guess, a budget ecosystem. And if we're gonna really look at 2024, the best budget ecosystem that there is, straight out, we're gonna go with the CMF by Nothing. It's an ecosystem where you can get a phone, a watch, and wireless earbuds for pretty much the same price as a $300 phone. What do you guys think about that? For $300, you can get some pretty decent earphones, pretty decent smartwatch with a decent battery. Again, it's more of a, gonna really look at more of a, it's more of a budget watch. But for this watch here, I mean, straight out, you're able to change the bands, you can change the bezel part of it, and you can make and receive phone calls on this watch, and it has a heart monitor, fitness tracker built in. The big deal here is you're also going to get magnetic pins to charge the watch, a plastic backing. But for the price of this watch being $70, it's definitely a steal. Where this here, again, $60 for the headphones, straight out a steal. And here, right here, $200, you can change the face plates, the back plates of the phone to change the color. It also giving you the accessory to straight out change your SIM card tray color, a little button thing, other accessories. And it's got a phone that has an in-screen fingerprint reader, something that most phones of this nature Jesus. Again, phones of this nature, and especially this price, do not carry. So again, it's using the Nothing OS, but it's running Android 14.0, the most up-to-date operating system. In-screen fingerprint reader, really decent. I think it's fast for that price. So what do you guys think for having an ecosystem of this nature? Under $300, pretty much $300 straight out. You're gonna get a watch, headphones, and a cell phone. Comment down below. Do you think this ecosystem is worth that price? Again, if we're really looking at where we're going here, you're getting an ecosystem of a watch, headphones, and a phone that can be accessorized with different accessories for under $300. One big sacrifice that you would have on a phone like this, though, it doesn't have NFC, no NFC here, but don't sell this short. These three items here for this price is fairly decent. And if you're really looking to get a phone on a budget for under $300 and have the whole package, you can't go wrong with the CMF phone by Nothing. Right now you can pick it up either on their website, or you can actually go on Amazon and get all three of these. Comment down below. And again, real quick, do have a Patreon account if you did want to sign up for free, or you can support me. Again, I pay for all of this stuff on my own. Support me for $1 a month and you'll get access to the videos a little before they're posted on YouTube. If not, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up, and I greatly appreciate that. Until I see you guys next time in the next video, this is Consumer Compute.